So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix issues claiming the same username as Instagram or the Facebook. So guys, to claim the matching Instagram or the Facebook username on the WhatsApp, so guys, you link both the account to the same Meta account center. For this guys, first of all, check your account ownership. If your Instagram or the Facebook handle is held for you, the system restrict other for claiming it. If you bypass this by linking your profile as a detail above, so once your ownership is verified, you can successfully claim the handle and safely unlink account later if you choose. Okay, so for this, first of all guys, open your settings to take your account, link your both of your account Facebook and Instagram. First go settings. In the settings guys, go to the option of account center. In the account center guys, here you see the option of add Facebook account, add Instagram account. After adding both of the accounts, simply go back and again go to the option of settings and go for the option of accounts and then username. And guys, here if I delete my username, now here you can check that you can use the Instagram username and use the Facebook username. So first you connect both of the application with same Meta account center, then you also connect same with your WhatsApp. After that guys, reserve public figure names. WhatsApp has reserved well known names, public figure, celebrities and verified government handles so that only a legitimate owner can use them. Okay, if your username is already taken by an active WhatsApp user or contain restricted or block word, so you will need to try the variation of by adding number or the underscore. So this is the only solution. And guys, if you are unable to locate the username option, so ensure your WhatsApp is up to date to the latest version. The username roll out occur country by country and some of the regions may be subjected to the local regulatory adjustment. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.